In front of me is iPad mini, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. Begin by opening settings and scrolling down to access Touch ID and passcode. Then scroll down again to tap on Turn Passcode On and click on Passcode Options to click on a perfect one for you. 4-digit numeric code, 6-digit numeric code, custom numeric code, or custom alphanumeric code. Whatever you decided after tapping on a chosen one, it's time to create it. And when you see this kind of pop-up, you should change your passcode because it's too easy. I will tap on Use anyway though, because this is just an example, and repeat it to confirm it. Now you can enter your password for Apple account if you wish to, or select cancel at the top left corner. So finally, when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, I can state passcode is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!